and another one by the dust. Coolant leaking from the oil filter housing. It's a 3 Series 340i, and this is the smoking gun. Of course, for this job the same, I have an aftermarket part. I don't necessarily recommend to be replaced with that part. I recommend to be replaced with an original one, but it's not my vehicle. And like that, the new oil filter housing is back. Almost all the hoses are connected. Clean the intake contact surface on the ports. Replaced all the gaskets. Of course, I replaced all the gaskets from the new oil filter housing. And now I'll put back the intake manifold. Everything is back. This plug will remain disconnected because it's for the fuel injectors and ignition coils. I need to prime up the oil system before I start the engine. I need to fill up the coolant system and test it with this toy. The coolant is done, it's topped off. Now I will connect with this card to start the oil system. After scanning, always display fault memories, always save the fault memory list. Service function, powertrain, engine electronics, startup oil circuit. Let's see. And now I'll start to crank it. And that is the oil pressure. Wait 20 seconds. Again. The oil pressure is going up. Startup was successfully. Now I'll connect back the plug on the DME. To connect back the plug, I need to disconnect all the other plugs, because that one is the last one. Everything is connected. Nice. I already scanned it, check for leaks, and that's all.